Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have 32-bit Style 700 generation 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can I easily manage mic monitor using your headphones. So as you can see now I can disable mic monitor totally and set it to 0. Now if I bring my headphones we can find our two sliders over here. With this slider we can manage mic monitor. If going up we can set it to 100% and with going down to 0%. But as you can see here we have mic monitor disabled. We have to enable this mic monitor and now we can manage it. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.